Guys, this is testing of PSU unit, which I open now for coil whine, and I will show you now. It's some coil buzzing here. I open it, put the fan on, so we will see. You hear buzzing? Wait. It's one of these two. So I have paper here. So we will hear with this one exactly where it's buzzing. This one. You need to put a wider hole on your ear and one smaller hole on the coil to her. Yeah, this one for 100% is buzzing. So this one, nothing. This one. You see this? So you see these two coils. The left one is buzzing. In the next step we will use the glue gun. See here. So we'll put for the first a little glue on this left one. See, not this one, that one. I repeat, this is VA250 cooler master. So guys, now I waited for about 10 minutes for this heat gun for glue to warm up on its work temperature. This is, by the way, my first time doing it. So next step, now the PC is on idle mode. It's buzzing. Probably you can hear it. I will put my microphone down there. It's still buzzing. Now, next step, I will turn off the PC, unplug the power for the safety reasons, because it's high voltage in there. So if you're doing this, you're doing on your own responsibility. You can kill yourself by touching its component in there. Be careful, very careful about it. And when you're putting the glue on, turn it off after warm up. So what to mention? I will repeat once more. You need a paper tube like this to find which coil it's buzzing in there, because in there are many of coils of copper. When you found one which buzzing, you need to fix it with glue. Now I will turn off the PC. So it's turned off, but be careful, by the way, at the end you need to left the power supply for about 20 seconds to charge it off. See, now first step, turn off button. Next step, unplug it. Yeah, now leave it some time to charge it off. And be careful, I repeat, be careful, don't touch inside components. Next step, I will unplug these cables, so I have room to work. Now I will try to do it with glue. See, it's transparent. This glue is at the end, so I will put next one. As you can see, guys, there is no more coil whine. We finish the job. Only fans. Nothing. No coil whine. Bye bye coil whine. OCCT. Nothing. Only vents. Even graphic card doesn't buzzing.